Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to this channel. My name is Ivy Nganga. Today I'm going to be doing a hair video and I'm going to be doing the slicked bun. I think that's what it's called. But today I'm going to try out a side part. I've actually never tried a side part before, so let's see how that goes. I have all my products here. I'm not going to be using a lot of things, but before I even start, please, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, do hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell as well, so that you're notified every single time I post a video. So I'm just going to be using the same product I used last time. I'm going to be using a leave-in, and I'm using this Aunt Jackie's Moisture Intensive Leave-in, and then I'm going to use this Mosara. This is the moisture milk, and it's supposed to be used as a cream once you've used the leave-in, and an oil if you're using the LOC method, but I just use it as an additional moisturizer, I think. Then I'm going to be using this green Eco Styler gel. This is the olive oil one. Lastly, I'm going to be using my coconut oil that I have in here in my applicator bottle. I'm not going to be using a lot, that's why I didn't put a lot in the bottle. I also do have some water in this spray bottle because I feel like my hair is a bit dry, so I'm just going to add a bit of water. And I have my afro comb. I'm going to use this to part my hair. It's probably not the best, but it works for me. So I'm just going to start with spraying some water on my hair because it's a bit dry. Then I'm just going to part it into two at first, and I normally just start with parting it using my hands because it's a bit tangled up, even though I did detangle it. So I'm going to start with this Aunt Jackie's Moisture Intensive Leave-in. Oh, I love this leave-in so much. I'm just going to show you guys just how much of a difference it makes. I mean, my hands can now even go through my hair, something that was not possible like 2 minutes ago. So if you're looking for a leave-in conditioner that will detangle your hair, that will absorb into your hair in like a split second, this is the one I would recommend. I'm now going to go in with my oil, just a bit of coconut oil, because I always use the LOC method to moisturize my hair. So I like to make sure that my hair is ready for the gel and it's properly moisturized before I actually add any gel to my hair. I'm now going to add a bit of this Mosara moisture milk before I add the gel. This particular product also smells amazing. Like, every single time I add it to my hair, I feel like I just want to eat my hair. Basically, it has this vanilla smell, and especially mixed with the other products, it's just the best smell ever on your hair. Just look at those curls, you guys. My hair is even looking fuller because it's properly moisturized, and I feel like it's absorbed all those products really well. So I'm now going to slick it down using the Eco Styler gel. This is the one that I had shown you guys. I'm now going to slick it down using this particular brush. It's a hard brush, just to make sure that I distribute all the product into my hair, and just so that it also slicks it down completely without leaving a single strand. Now that the back is done, I'm just going to move on to the front. I'm going to start with parting. I had already started. I just wanted to see where I want the parting to be. Like I said, I'm going to be trying out a side part this time around. I've just separated the small section of hair that I'm going to be using for the side part. So I'm just going to start with this section of the hair. I think I'm still going to do it in sections. So I'm just going to start with this part using the same process. So let me just do the LOC method on the rest of the hair, and then I'm just going to show you guys when I'm slicking it down and putting it all together. I'm going to be using this Afro twist marley hair that I got from Natural Hair Kenya. So I'm just going to show you guys 3 different ways. I think I had mentioned that. So it's going to be 3 different ways. So this is how it looks. I've used it a couple of times. That is why it's looking a bit old. It does have a hair tie. So the first style that I'm going to show you, I'm just going to tie it like this using the hair tie. So you take the small section like this and you just take it round. Making sure that it's as tight as possible because you want it to be secure, you don't want it to move around. Yeah, so that's the first hairstyle. I think it looks pretty amazing. The good thing about this marley hair is that it blends really well with 4C hair. It actually looks like part of my hair, especially when I add the braid. It blends really well. So the next hairstyle is the easiest. So I'm just going to braid this marley hair. So just to accessorize it, I normally use this gold accessories that I bought from Dubois. Is it Dubois or Dubois? Yes, I think it looks pretty cute with the accessories. Let me show you guys the back. The last one is probably the easiest. I know I said this was the easy one, so this is the easiest. I'm just going to take my braid and I'm just going to bring it round into a bun. So you have to use a bobby pin to hold everything together. Here we go. This is the third style. I am obsessed with this bun. So these are the 3 hairstyles. I don't know which one you love the most. Don't forget to tell me in the comment section down below. This is definitely my best out of the 3. Tell me which one you will be rocking. I'd really love to know. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, to comment, to share, and of course subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.